welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious blondies. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking.
To make the blondies, you'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of unsalted butter melted, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and an optional 1 cup of white chocolate chips or chopped walnuts. To get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 9 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Then set it off to the side. In a large mixing bowl, combine the granulated sugar, brown sugar, melted butter, egg yolk, and vanilla extract. Whisk together until the mixture is thick and well combined. Next, add in the dry ingredients and stir with a spatula until almost combined. Add in the optional white chocolate chips or walnuts and stir until they are well combined. Transfer the dough into the prepared baking pan and spread into an even layer. Sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on the top if you like. Then bake in the oven for about 35 minutes or until the edges are set and golden brown. And a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few crumbs. Once cooled, cut them into squares, and now you're ready to enjoy some tasty blondies.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time making the blondies and I hope you did as well. They're tasty, simple to make, and if you're not the biggest fan of white chocolate chips, you can instead add nuts, semi-sweet chocolate chips, or M&Ms. If you recreate the blondies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well. Enjoy your blondies and have a great day. Bye!